Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing the first part of my Devlog series, which is just about me making a game. The first thing you're seeing here is me setting up OmniSharp for Unity on my Mac because the complication was off and the path wasn't set correctly, and then making my first person controller and setting everything up so I can get the capsule to moving and the camera moving with it. And then it's the shader, just making small cartoon shader for the trees. And now it's a dragon concept art where I'm just slowly drawing the inventory art where it's a dragon, and I just like the dragon from Spirited Away, Haku, and that's why it's a Japanese dragon. And the game is gonna be an inspiration from Studio Ghibli's movies, which I'm trying just to incorporate the universe and have this same experience. And now you're seeing me putting in the artwork for the inventory and setting it up, making everything nice. And here you see it moving with just some placeholder graphics where I can move everything around. I don't know why I made the inventory first, but I just thought it was nice to get it out of the way. I'll have link to the tutorials I followed in the description. And here you're seeing me doing the concept art for the world that you are going to be moving around in, which I thought would be nice just have it lay out more than just in my head. And the first world I'm making, or island, is the one with the trees in it and the big tree. And then slowly moving on to everything else. That's also why you're seeing me making the concept art for the tree, where everything is going to be placed, how tall it is, and the tree houses in it, just slowly getting the ideas out of my head as I'm moving along. And yeah, just sketching it, which I thought it would be a good idea and nice idea to have a tree house you could move around on and jump on top of. So that's, yeah, just basically because I thought it was cool, and I wanted to make a game where I would be invested in the world and move around it, this fantasy world, and something you could escape from my own reality and just make the world that I thought would be nice to be a part of. And I always liked tree houses when I was a kid. Just thought they were really cool. Also the tree elves and everything around them. And then after I made the concept art, I just made a model of the treehouse in Blender. And this took me quite a long time. Also because I'm not using the tree sapling plugin, but doing everything in hand and modeling it from scratch, which takes a lot longer time. But I also think it's going to turn out better because it's not just a generic tree, but a tree which is going to have houses in it and be part of this world where you can explore it, walk around on it. And yeah, that's why I did everything by hand. And now you're seeing me playing around with the particle system to place them, the smaller branches, which didn't work out, so I just dropped it. I'm not that good at the particle emitter. And then placing all the platforms where I think the tree houses are going to be, putting some more branches in and just placing it around, getting a feel for how the whole tree house is going to be, and then making the stairway up around the tree house, which I tried to do with an array and a Bezier curve, but haven't figured out how that works yet. So I'm going to do it in a different way. And now I just plopped the rough model into Blender to check out how it works, and put some box colliders on all the platforms so you're able to move around and just jump around it, which I think got the feeling down well. Could have been better, could have been worse, but I like the whole atmosphere, the height of the tree. I think it's great. Especially you could see earlier one of my other tree models with the Toon shade on it, and the size difference, I really like it. Yeah, I didn't move the car model out of the tree for testing it, which I probably should have. But yeah, I thought it turned out pretty nice. And if you want to see and follow more of my devlogs, just subscribe. And if you like the video, please leave a like also. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be uploading an update soon with hopefully the whole tree model finished.